I don't know how to dance but can lean and make the ghetto bitch put their hands on their knees. I don't know how to dance but can lean. I don't know how to dance but can lean. I don't know how to dance but can lean and make the ghetto bitch put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put their hands on their knees. Make the ghetto bitch put their
It was nice. That class was very hard. It was sweaty, but my wig, it don't move. Burger was so good. 9 out of 10. No, 8.5 out of 10 because I forgot to put my coleslaw into the burger, and I think with the coleslaw it would have been chef's kiss. Oh, on va s'asseoir d'abord. Natural hair gang. The sun is sunning. Guys, I finally have my hair out again. Oh, someone's calling me. Anyways, I'm going to do a trying haul, guys. Okay, let's try this. How does that look? I'm not sure if I'm going to include this into my vlog. If it's in my vlog, then hey, you're already in this vlog. Thank you for staying. And if it's going to turn into an exclusive video, then...
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shameless. If you're new, hi, my name is Shameless.
Right after the intro, I've decided to turn both try and hauls into YouTube shorts, which will be linked down below. Hello guys, another day, another dollar. It sounds weird, but sometimes I forget that I have hair. And we love it. Anyways, the first item was kindly sent to me. It's a mini portable label printer. I have agreed to review this item because I am not 100% there, but everyone at work and most of my friends know that I really like to organize stuff. I label everything. Everything needs to be at its own place. Like, labeling is my favorite thing to do. One time at work, when I found out that we had the portable mini printer, I went crazy. I started printing, label everything. One time my boss found out and he was like, "Why are you misusing my printer? It is so expensive." This is how the printer looks. Very, very easy. You just have to push it up like this and then it opens up. And I just had to open the paper roll and insert it here. And then we just close it. You can charge it and it comes with this cute thingy here. It comes with an instruction. There's a QR code where you would just download the link. It's very easy. Here it tells me I'm using my brother's phone because I'm recording with mine. Here, I'm going to allow it. Why would you want to track me? I don't understand. Anyways, I'm just going to hold it for 1, 2, 3 seconds. Now it's turned on. And then I will click connect. And it will show the printer immediately. The connecting part is very, very simple. My brother's setting is in German. I will be using the second one where it shows the blue paper. I have to tap 2 times and to change it. And the first thing I would like to print, it's not that much left, but I always refill it. So we're gonna write down Parfum de Mali de Lina exclusive. So, and then we're gonna hold it like this and okay. And then wait, I want the Lina exclusive more in the middle. Let's do this. Okay, and now it says, oh, I can actually change the, oh yeah, I want it like this. Or like this? No, I want it like this. Perfect. And now print. Yeah, this is just the instruction. Yup. Print. Ooh. These are the small things in life that excites me. And that's it actually. Here, as you can see, it's saying Parfum de Mali. I hope it's zoomed in, guys. Is it zoomed in? I'm not sure. I think I will do a zoomed in clip as well. Wait, I'm just going to cut it a little bit shorter. The other two ones, I want to turn them into a TikTok video, which I will be including here as well. So far, I really like the printer. I will link it down below for you guys. It's very inexpensive. I am not sure if I will receive a extra coupon code for you guys. If I will definitely link it down below. As you can see, I had so much fun with it. This house better be prepared to be sick of me because everything will be labeled. I was like, okay, I have to download the app. I have to do this. I have to do that. Literally, the app is the longest process. It is not long, but it is the longest process. You just have to download the app. It will connect immediately within seconds. And then you just write down what you want to write. And then if you want to insert pictures or anything, QR codes, you just do it and it just prints. That's perfect for on the go, honestly. It will also be useful for work. But I'm not going to bring it to work because ain't no way, nah.
A few moments later.
I'm on my way to a reformer class and I literally had to buy an ICE ticket because there's no train going to the city. And I don't want to miss the class because first of all I will miss the class, lose the money I paid for, and then I think I have to pay a fine or something, so might as well use the money and get an ICE ticket to get there quickly.
Look at this. Oh, perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it great? Chris! I know, it's my dream.
I am almost done, but I will still not get over the price. Although they reduced it by 30 cents. But this one here is still expensive. But it's the best deodorant.
Six and a half hours later.
Hello guys, after a lot of hours, I'm finally done. I've packed my bags with you. I woke up early, I started cooking. I made a pasta recipe with coconut shrimp sauce. The coconut shrimp sauce, very, very nice. The pasta was nice as well. The spaghetti was nice as well. But I took my shower and then wanted to cook the next meal. And something happened to the pasta, which I don't understand. It's stuck together, it's literally glued together. Why did I fail pasta? I've made, I don't want to call it jollof rice because then people be like, you don't know how to cook jollof rice, blah, blah. But I made a rice that could be recognized as jollof rice. Ooh, this does not look good. Well, anyways, I have to go out now. I will be closing my bags. In my next vlog, you will see where I'm traveling to, but I think like you already know where I'm traveling to because that's my maison. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Show some love. Bisous. Bye.